From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
The one-day-only Firemaster Open House, only on September 30th.
So this cracks me up because occasionally I'll get booked to do character voices for characters that have already been voiced before. So the client wants you to replicate or imitate or at least embody the spirit of the previously voiced character. And it's usually like a mascot for a company. And you know, a lot of times, sometimes it's like a voice. They hand me a voice, and it's like something I can't really do. So I'm like, this is gonna suck. But sometimes you get one that's the character voices are pretty easy, and this was one. And the client is Firemaster in Indiana, and I do probably like about 3-4 Firemaster spots a year doing these characters. And one's a little drop of water, and the other one's like a little flame. And it's a low budget animation. It's like Flash animation kind of. But you know, it gets the point across. And one voice is like, Firemaster, your hearth and leisure leader. And the other one's like, yeah, we sell fireplaces. And what I try to do these spots, because it's, you know, one's talking, the other one's talking, is I try to record the spots where I do both voices at the same time, because it just makes it more interesting to me. And I feel like it's more organic. I know it's like nuts to even think that the conversation between these two, and it's not even a conversation, they're both talking to camera, but it feels just a little bit more cohesive if I do them together. So sometimes it takes me like 8 or 10 takes to get it right, get the timing right, because I'm doing them both at the same time, but it's fun. So I wanted to share it with you because it's funny. I think it's funny. And occasionally, the thing is with these spots, when you get booked, right? Occasionally, if you get booked to be the replacement step-in voice for somebody, it's because that person's on vacation, right? That's happened to me. I've had voices. I've had people book my spots to someone else. Clients book when I was on vacation. That sucks. And so sometimes you get to do that to somebody else. Sometimes it's because that person's no longer available for whatever reason. And the hope is that you get to Wally Pipp that guy. That's a baseball reference. Look it up. So the hope is that you get to Wally Pipp that guy and take over the spot, which is what I did with Firemaster. Anyway. This spot just cracks me up. So I just wanted to show it to you because I got a copy of it. So this is from last year. All right, so here we go. This is Firemaster. And until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.
The one-day-only Firemaster Open House, only on September 30th. Get wood stoves at $300 off or 18 months same as cash. Find Heat and Glow at 10% off and fireplace tools, grates, and fire pits at 25% off.
Get pools at 12 months 0% financing on select models and spas at 5 years 0% financing. Pool chemicals and liners 20% off and remaining pool floats 40% off. Stop into the one-day-only Firemaster Open House, September 30th from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m.
Firemaster, your hearth and leisure leader.